Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting on Google Trends now. Open the site, set the region, and choose a time frame that fits your goal. Once done, enter a clear seed keyword or topic into Explore. Pick a related topic if results are noisy. Make sure to set the category to narrow results fast. You don't need long setup. Start with one term, then immediately switch time frame or region to see context. This first action reveals baseline interest, and basic seasonality you'll refine next. Now dig into the middle work. Add comparisons to measure relative search interest across terms. Once added, examine the chart trends and use the map to spot geographic spikes. This shows where demand concentrates. Make sure to toggle search type, web, image, news, shopping to match intent. Then inspect related queries and related topics, switching between top and rising to find breakout terms. Use filters to remove noise. This detailed pruning identifies specific angles you can exploit. Finish by exporting the chart or related query CSV so you can analyze spikes in a spreadsheet and schedule content. Once saved, set alerts or use trending searches to catch fast-moving stories. Add promising keywords to your content calendar. If results seem inconsistent, troubleshoot. Broaden the time frame, switch from keywords to topics, or remove overly narrow category filters. This approach helps you act on reliable trends quickly and correct course.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.